Mga ka-house life, tara, luto tayo ng paksiw na isda.
Add salt. We will use garlic, ginger, and red and green chili. Add minced garlic. Then add ginger. Don't forget to subscribe. Pour around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then pour 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And spread a pinch of ground pepper. Then mix well. Cover and let it boil for 5 minutes and stir from time to time. Now add 1/2 cup of water to cook the fish completely. Then let it boil for 3 minutes. Now add red and green chili. Cover and let it boil for another 2 minutes. Stir from time to time and test the taste. Add more salt if necessary. Now serving.
Ayos! Amoy pa lang, ulam na.
Oh la la! Subscribe for more videos like this.
And thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.